Hello to all my amazing viewers, welcome back again. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a delicious banana cake. Please guys, don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, like and share this video. So first I'm going to start by beating my egg. So for this recipe I'm using 2 eggs. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of flour into my dried mixing bowl. And after that, I'll add my baking powder, my salt, and mix everything together. After mixing, I'll set it aside. Next, I'll go ahead to mash my ripe banana. You can as well blend it. And also, you can use banana essence for this recipe. Next, I'm going to add my butter and my sugar into my mixing bowl. And after that, I'll use my hand mixer to mix everything together until it becomes light in color and also fluffy. Next, I will add my beat egg and continue mixing with my hand mixer. Next, I will add my mashed banana and I'll also use my hand mixer to make sure everything is properly mixed. Next, I will add my flour, and after adding the flour, I will use my hand mixer to mix. Next, I will add some water into my batter. You can as well use milk for this recipe. Then I'm going to continue mixing together. Next, I'm going to go ahead to add the remaining flour. And after that, I will continue mixing until everything is properly mixed together. Next, I will grease my baking pan with some oil to prevent my cake from sticking to the pan. And after that, I will transfer my batter into my baking pan. While doing this, don't forget to turn on your oven to preheat it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, I'm going to go ahead to transfer my cake into my baking oven and allow it to bake until the cake turns golden brown. Few minutes later, I'm going to check on the cake. I'm going to be taking out the cake from the oven and see if the cake is baked now. I'm going to go ahead to insert a toothpick inside the cake now. If your toothpick come out clean and dry, it means your cake is done. If it's still wet, you can go ahead and continue baking the cake until it is done. Let's cut the cake and see how the inside looks like. Guys, can you see how delicious, how fluffy my cake look like? Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. And also don't forget to try out this new recipe.